Welcome. Krusty Carl does Danfoss VLT drives. We're looking at assignment 9 and we're on video 10, I'm assuming, and we're just going to keep carrying on. So today we're adding a third element. I've got two screens open. We're going to leave terminal 18 as it was to coast and verse. Terminal 19 is going to be left alone with the latch start. And now we're going to add another switch, just a normally open switch, and we're going to add it to terminal 27. So it's going to get wired across number 13. Again, 12 and 13 are the same place in time, right? That's our power source. The plus side, the 24 volts DC. And I've got it wired, this normally open switch, across 13 and 27. And I will show you that once I'm done, just quickly showing you these settings in here. So we're going to go main menu, hit twice, going to scroll down to 5, digital inputs, digital outputs. First one is the mode that you want to do with it, the input output, and then digital inputs is 5.1. So we're going to go inside there. So this is where the last video was left. We had terminal 18, as you can see here, is left to coast and verse. Terminal 19 is latch start. And then last but not least, we have terminal 27, which was the one that came wired with the drive. And we're going to call it reversing now, which is number 10. Okay, so we're good with that. We're done with that. Let's get out of this. And I'm going to change my camera around so you can see what the motor is going to do for us. So we'll do that, get out of here, and hit status. And I'm going to push the green button, the start button, and you can see it comes up to the frequency of 60 hertz. And now you can hear the drive hone away. So let me move my camera around a bit. So I have a forward reverse switch, just a normal, it doesn't matter. It's just a normally open switch. You can make it open or close, either or. And I got my stop button, my start button, stop button, and then just a normally open switch wired in. And you can see now that I have my motor and it's turning, and I can zoom that in now that I have it turned the right way. Okay, and I can focus that too. Okay, so we're going to hit stop, the red button, and the motor's turning. I don't know if you can make that out well or not, but looking at the shaft, it is turning counterclockwise. So what we're going to do then is just toggle it to make the number 27 switch now closed, and now it's turning clockwise looking at the shaft. As I said, we don't typically do this in anything to do with our trade, and I don't recommend doing this just to make the motor turn the right way. I recommend doing it, making the motor run the correct way by taking the conductors, feeding the motor or at the output of the drive, interchanging any of those three leads. That's the way that we should be doing this. All right, don't do that here, but there might be an application where you have a conveyor belt or something that needs to go the opposite way, and you're just thinking, wonder how I can quickly do that. So there you go. So again, the keypad will make it stop, and so does the stop button. So you can do either or. And I don't think I told you, but I had it in auto on is also where I had the keypad set to it. So we're out.